what's up guys? Corey Lanier here. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. And today I'm going to be talking about the silent mode feature on the Lumix G7. Okay guys, so I'm finally back with another Lumix G7 tutorial. I know you guys DM me all the time on Instagram and find my email and send me messages saying, hey Corey, when is there going to be another Lumix G7 tutorial? I love watching them. Well, it's here. Sometimes I just like making a couple creative videos in between here and there. It's just for my own personal sake. If you guys like them, please let me know as well. But anyway, straight to it. Now, in order to turn on silent mode on your camera, it's very easy. All you gotta do is turn the camera on, hit down on the down pad, and then switch to on. And that's it, you're in silent mode. So the Lumix G7 is a great camera. I know you guys have heard me talk about it so many times, but there's a feature that I haven't talked about as much. I think I've mentioned it once or twice here and there, and that is the silent mode. The silent mode on this camera is really dope because it's the first camera I ever had that let me go completely silent. If I wanted to go to like an important event where, you know, there's a speaker talking and there's like no music in the background, and it's kind of one of those moments where you just have to be quiet and listen to what's being said because there's important information going out, I would say that the silent mode is a really good feature to have because you can really go in and essentially take like 1,000 photos and no one will ever know that you're even taking photos if they never just so happen to see you. And with like other cameras not being able to have the silent mode on, that can really come into play where it bothers you. There's like a freaking mosquito bothering the heck out of me right now. Oh, by the way, there's a tropical storm about to hit Houston as of like today, so I'm trying to squeeze this video in before things get too bad. Now, let me turn the camera off silent mode real quick and show you guys what it sounds like when you're taking pictures and you're not in silent mode. You can hear a noise for the autofocus and then another noise for when you actually do the shutter release. And just in case you guys can't hear because a car went by, let me do it one more time. Now, that sound isn't really that loud, but it can be annoying in the wrong setting at the wrong time. So let me show you guys what it sounds like when I put the camera in silent mode and then take some pictures. Nothing. Completely silent. And that's because you don't actually have a mirror inside of here moving. That's why they call this a mirrorless camera. The sound that you have whenever it's on is really just the camera trying to imitate what it sounds like when a normal DSLR has a mirror inside moving to expose the actual sensor. But in mirrorless cameras, the benefit is you don't have that mirror, which means you can go completely silent, and it's a cool thing. But it's not as cool as you think it is because there are ups and downs to the whole silent mode. Now here's one major thing that you have to highly consider when you're going into silent mode. There is one major feature that gets blocked whenever you do go to silent mode and you're trying to use it, and that is the flash. You don't have the ability to use flash. Even if you have an external flash put on your camera, you don't have the ability to use flash when you're in silent mode. It just completely cuts off the feature. So if you've been having issues with your Lumix G7 and you don't understand why the flash just doesn't work, it's probably because you have your camera in silent mode, and if you just take it off, it'll go right back to normal. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, let me show you real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and turn flash on real quick, and then I'm gonna make sure my silent mode's off, and then I'm just gonna take a picture. Flash goes off, right? Well, now I'm gonna switch back to silent mode, and now I'm gonna take that same picture. It's quiet, but no flash. And I understand, I guess flash will clearly break you out of stealth. It makes sense when you think about it, but at the same time, if you're not thinking about it, it can really drive you up the wall. So be very careful when you're using silent mode, and remember, you can't use flash. So if you're in a situation where you need to use strobe or you're doing strobe photography, that can be a major hindrance. Make sure you have silent mode turned off, and then it's shooting like normal. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial because I haven't done a Lumix G7 tutorial in a while. I know you guys are always asking me questions, but if you have any more questions, please leave them down in the comments because I do read my comments. I do also try to respond to them, and I do also make updates. I need to get ready to go to get ready for this tropical storm that's coming through to Houston, Texas. It shouldn't be too bad. It's coming directly through the Gulf right now, and it hasn't shifted to a hurricane. It's just a tropical storm right now. But either way, most of Houston is taking precaution. A lot of schools are out right now. So let me get back inside and get ready for that. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys keep aiming for the top. And I'll be coming back to you guys with another Lumix G7 tutorial soon. But until then, peace. Hey guys, if you liked this video, make sure you click one of these icons on the side so you can subscribe or watch another video. You can do it. I'll just wait for you guys. Matter of fact, I'll take some pictures while you click. I'll take a picture of you guys too.